Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be, what we're doing is we're going to be doing this assembly process. This GMC truck, and I believe it's called the van version or the ambulance or a radio truck, whatever. You can research it. So there's the roof and all these pieces, just inspecting the pieces here. So we need to take and cut away at these type of things. The sprues. So here's another. And that. There you go. And then there's this. Cut like that. That frees up that piece. This is the... just clean up the sprue mark and stuff. There's the 3 wheels there. And then there's all this stuff. So cut away like this and this. There you go. And then there's that. No, there's a cut like this and a cut like that. Oh, there's that piece. Then you go ahead and clip like that. That's good. The last cutting for this, just clean off this sprue right there. There you have it. Now let's begin the gluing process. So yeah, just put some glue here. Whoops. There you go. And go like that. You can see how that lines up. So that needs to line up there, and then this lines up like that. That's the first piece that you want to glue together. The next piece that can be glued together, just go ahead and put this piece on like that. The hood. There you go. The hood is glued on. So let's go ahead and put the grill on. There you go. All of that stuff fits pretty well where it's supposed to fit. There's the roof. So I suppose in there you could put some stuff like some weights or whatever you wish. So just get some glue around the edges. And then maybe some ups, some glue. Here. There you go. Then I'm going to take this roof and put it on. There you go. There's that. Next, let's put this thing together. So, put that together. You're going to put it like that. But you can glue there, but also the back of this truck. Just go ahead and put some glue there. Some extra bonding power. Kind of needs a lot of bonding. So, there you go. See how that goes? And in a way, you could just set it like there, let that dry. So, well, essentially while that's drying, let's make use of the time here. So, put some glue like that. And then okay. The other side. All right, while everything is gluing, you can go ahead and get some glue along those edges there. And then this here, I suppose. Okay, so you're gonna want to, I'm using tweezers here. That helps a bit. Just put this piece on like that. And now this side. There you go. Now, essentially, the task is these wheels. So be careful with this cab if you're gluing all of this when it's not completely dry and stuff, the glue. Now let's put on these wheels here. There you go. Get that axle in the middle. Just like that. And then the rule is simple. Put the axle in the middle of the wheel. Pretty good. Now let's do these. So get that axle there. Or get this wheel, put the axle in the middle. Same for this one. Test. All right. Very good. The last step for this model. Actually, maybe not the very last, but there you go. Put these tires like that. Test it on the surface. Very good. Now, as usual, here's a clarification. You can look at historical pictures of these vehicles. Make sure that all of this is going on the correct position before you agree with where I'm putting stuff. But I'm going to put this spare tire on the back like that. I think that looks good. So there it is, this GMC truck, the van version, available for Miniature Tanks Company, miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.